In this video, I am going to show you how to back up and restore your Telegram messages. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open your Telegram application on your PC, and this will be the homepage of the app. So from here you want to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left corner of the screen. So now select settings. So this is the settings for your account and for the application. From here, you want to select advanced and scroll at the very bottom to find this export Telegram data setting. So you want to click that. And as you can see, this is export your data. You want to check all of this, the account information, list, story archive, chats. So you want to check all of this. This will back up all of your files and just click on export. And as you can see, you will be able to begin downloading your data in 24 hours. So just click on OK and go to your Telegram app on your phone and just confirm the request. After that, after the 24 hours period, Telegram will give you a file which you can download, which contains all of your messages and calls and everything data about your Telegram. So that is how you back up and restore your Telegram messages. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe.